In this video, I will tell you how to create or edit video in Canva. So go to the videos option. We are ready in video option. I want to create a TikTok video. So click on there. Now add page, and we want this clip here. This page is come here, and add page. I want this page come here. So I want to edit. I want to change the color of this one from yellow to red, and in there I want to change background from red and turn into yellow the font color. Let play the video. If liked the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to check the resources link in the description below. See you in the next video.